But here also we're facing a big war for many years now, where the lives of especially women and children are in really big danger. And for centuries women have been taught that they are not strong enough to fight, they are not able to defend themselves. And it's really, really important that women understand that war affects them, like they get killed, they get raped, a lot of bad things happen to women, and they can fight back and they can defend themselves, and they are strong enough to do this. So here, this is something really special, that in the protection units and in the different structures, women learn how to defend themselves and to defend each other, which in other parts of the world is not so common, that women learn these things and they learn how to live together, how to have solidarity with each other, to always look out for each other. It's something, on this day of the 25th of November, we are remembering that all of us, like all women everywhere in the world, need to fight for their rights and need to fight for their freedom. And all of us need to do this together. We can't just one by one fight or like by ourselves. We're not strong. We're really strong when we're together. And when all of us, we're fighting all of us together. And it doesn't matter if there's borders or if we're from different places, if we're from different cultures or having different backgrounds. What matters is that all of us are facing difficulties in the life, and that all of us need to fight together. Here in Rojava, that women are strong and can fight against these things. It doesn't matter what culture, if they're Assyrian, Syriac, Kurdish or Arab, all the people here, they fight together, and we want to make that, we want to bring that to the whole world, that all of us, we need to fight for a free life, for a good life, where there's no violence, where people can live in a good way and in a free way. And that's what Rojava is so special for, that people here, really all of them, they come together and try to build this new life, all of them together. In Kurdish we say, Jin Jiyan Azadî.